How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is my loungewear outfit of the day since I'm on lockdown in the house because of Rona. So I don't know what wig this is I'm wearing. It's by Free Trust Equal. It's a shake and go half wig. So I'm wearing a headband. Okay, have on the Caftan. I bought this from Amazon. I'm finally getting the chance to wear all my caftans because I ain't going nowhere. So let me do my outfit. My pose. I don't know what be happening to this. This is moving by itself. Now. Okay. Getting ready to get in the kitchen and cook. Trying to figure out what I'm going to make with that 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'll be using my Instant Pot. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And stay home and cook. Bye.